Hey guys, Ricky here, and I'm in sunny Wolverhampton on the badminton court, and I'm having afternoon tea with the family. And whilst I'm here in lockdown, I thought I'd go over a few little grooming tips with my collaboration with Captain Fawcett with you guys. So the first product we're going to touch base with is the beard balm. This is super important at the moment, as we can't get to a barber shop, we can't get our beard cut by professionals. So what this does, it keeps your beard neat, keeps the straggly rogue hairs in check, and it gives it some shape. So how I apply it, back of your nail, rub it into your hands, all different directions on the beard, get it really rubbed in there. Use a beard brush, gives it a bit of style, keeps it neat, and you're good to go. Second product on the list is the Mustache Wax. This is great again for curling your moustache in the ends, giving it moisture all the way through. As with the beard balm, back your nail, warm it up between your fingers, brush all the way through your fingers, use a little moustache comb, separate it in the middle, comb it through, bosh. Next product is the beard oil. Now this is a brilliant product for when you've grown a beard and also when your beard has got some good length to it. It soaks up all the moisture and it keeps the skin underneath conditioned. All you do, get the pipette, a few little drops, warm it up in your hands and just brush it through your fingers. You can even use a beard brush if you need to, but pretty slapdash. So the last product we're going to talk about is the Eau de Parfum, the Ricki Hall Booze Baccy, and there's a cool little story about this. So back in the 70s, 80s, my dad was a mechanic. He'd finish work, you know, he'd be covered in oil. He would go to the pub after work, have a skinful, smoke a pack of Bensons, and then come home. When I was a small kid, I used to remember all these smells, you know, when you came back, of the smoke, of the beer, of the oil. And I wanted to capture that in a bottle. You know, my dad was my hero, so I wanted to capture the 70s and 80s in a bottle. This has got vanilla, it's got bog myrtle, it's got frankincense, it's got benzoin, it's got tobacco leaves, it's got bay. It's got all these beautiful smells in a bottle and it smells fantastic. So all you do is bash it, bash it, bash it, bosh, you're off.